Reorder level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Average means minimum level plus half of the reorder quantity. So minimum stock level formula, reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now hello everyone, this is your Adarsh, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in session 3 of your topic called material. Material which comes under your chapter 4, or else we can call it as unit 4. So your subject is accounting. Never be biased or confused that what is material and what is accounting. Accounting is your subject. Your material is your unit. Under subject, so whatever the 4 units are there, all 4 units comes under accounting. In accounting, we are talking about your topic called material. Now, in the previous session, we worked out one problem on your stock level. Now, in today's session, again we will work out on your stock levels. Now, so the agenda is very simple. We'll work out about stock level as well as the problems on stock level. Now, as I told you, if you want to do stock level problems, which are the things you have to keep it in your mind? Very simple. You are supposed to remember formulas. There are hardly 4 formulas are there. In that 2 or 3 formulas are very simple, and 1 or 2 formulas you are supposed to remember. For that also I'll give you shortcut like maximum stock level. Opposite of maximum is what? Minimum. What is the reorder level? Maximum into maximum reorder time. So these are the shortcuts you are supposed to remember. Then you can do it easily. Now, so the agenda is very simple. We are going to solve 2 problems in today's session. Now, what you have to do is, once I done with my session, you take out only question. Answer also you can take a screenshot, but don't see until you solve that. Take down the question, along with question, try to solve that particular problem. If you are okay or if you are ready to solve that problem, then it will be easy for you. Now, compute various stock level from the following data. Under this, normal consumption 300 units per day, then maximum consumption 420 units per day, minimum consumption 240 units, reorder quantity 3600, reorder period 10 to 15, normal reorder period is 12. Earlier what we used to do, normal reorder period we used to calculate how? 10 plus 15 is 25 divided by 1 plus 1, 2. You used to get 12.5. Now this is not required. Why? Because in the question paper they only given it is 12 days. If it is given, this calculation not required. Minimum reorder period 12, 10, maximum reorder period 15. Average RS, the normal reorder period we should consider as 12. If it is given in the question, the extra calculation part is not required. Now, so these are the informations are available. We'll go for that. Stock level. Reorder level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Easy to remember. What is the reorder stock level formula? Reorder maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Now, as per this, so what is your maximum consumption? I'll go back to your question. The maximum consumption is 420 and maximum reorder period is 15. 420 multiplied with 15. Now, 420 and 15, you will get answer of 6300. Any doubt? No doubt. Now, up to this you have understood. Now we'll go for next. That will be minimum stock level. Now, minimum stock level formula what? You have to complete your reorder level. Once if it is done, then you can go for minimum. Now, reorder level minus normal consumption and normal reorder period. Remember, the shortcuts I'll tell you. If you are going for reorder level, concentrate on maximum. If you are going for minimum stock level, concentrate on normal. If you are going for maximum stock level, the next will be maximum stock level, then you have to concentrate on reorder and opposite of maximum, minimum. These are the shortcuts you are supposed to remember. Now, what is the formula for reorder level? Maximum consumption to maximum reorder period over. What is the formula for minimum stock level? You have to go with reorder level, then minus your normal consumption to normal reorder period. What is the formula for maximum reorder level into reorder quantity? Again, minimum stock level into minimum reorder quantity. Like, these are the shortcuts you are supposed to remember. Whenever they ask for maximum, concentrate on these two. Whenever they ask for minimum, concentrate on normal. Whenever they ask for reorder, concentrate on maximum stock level. These are the shortcuts you are supposed to remember. Now, your minimum level, I'll go for this. What is the reorder level answer? 6,300 minus your normal consumption into normal reorder period. What is the normal consumption? 300. What is the normal reorder period? 12. Where it is? I'll go back to your question. Normal consumption 300, normal reorder period is 12. Everything is given in the question. Just we have to simplify. 300 into 12, you will get around 3,600. Now, 6,300 minus 3,600, your answer is 2,700 units. Any doubt? No doubt. So, you're done with normal level, reorder level as well as minimum stock level. So, what is next? The next will be maximum stock level. Now, under maximum stock level, reorder level plus reorder quantity, reorder level and reorder quantity. Now, minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. How to do this? I'll show you. Reorder level 6,300. Just now you got answer. See, 6,300. Reorder period, you know that reorder quantity, it is 3,600 given in the question itself. I'll go back. What is the reorder quantity? 3,600. Now, minus minimum consumption 24 and your minimum reorder period is 10. Just multiply. If you add this, if you multiply this, you will get 9,900 and you will get 2,400. Now, 9,900 minus 2,400, your answer is what? 7,500. Any doubt? No doubt. Now, up to this you have understood. The last part will be average stock level. How to go for average stock level? Easiest one. Under this, as I told you, if it is average, which one we should go? So in this I have not mentioned, but average means minimum level plus half of the reorder quantity. What is the minimum level? Minimum level 2,700. Where do you get minimum level? I'll go back. As per the question, minimum stock level. Do you get anything? No. It is as per the answer. Minimum stock level answer is how much? 2,700 plus half of the reorder quantity. What is your reorder quantity? 3,600. For this, if you take half, it will be 1,800. Add both 2,700 plus 1,800. Hardly you will get 4,500 units. Any doubt? No doubt. These all about your stock levels. Now, note, normal reorder period is given. As I told you, 12, it is given. So, problem itself, so 12 it is, hence it is not calculated. In the previous problem, we calculated. In the current problem, we have not calculated. Why? Because it is given. Now, I'll go back to this. We'll go to your problem number 2. Before that, Please take a screenshot of this. This is your problem number 2. The stock levels. So this is your minimum, maximum as well as average. Yes. This is your problem number 2 as well as the last problem for the day. Now, two components we have A and B. It is nothing but any single problem we have two sub problems. Like whatever you do it for A, similarly you have to do it for B also. Now, normal usage 50 units per week. Normal usage, it is common for both A as well as B. Minimum usage 25, common for A and B. Maximum usage 75, it is common for A and B. But, so reorder quantity for A, it is given 300. For B, how much it should be? So it is missed out. We'll add it as 500 units. How much we have? 500 units. The calculation will go for 500 units. Now, as per this, we have reorder quantity for A is 300. Reorder quantity for B is 500. Now, reorder period for A 4 to 6 weeks. For B, it is 2 to 4 weeks. Now, we have all the information. Calculate reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, as well as average stock level. We have all the informations right now. We'll go for individual calculation. Now, so whatever you calculate, remember, you have to do it for A as well as you have to do it for B. It is nothing but the same problem you are doing twice. One for A and one will be for B. First one, reorder level. What is the formula? Formula is common for A and B. Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. How much for A? Maximum consumption will be 75, but period will be how much? 4. For B, for A it is 6, B it is 4. 75 into 6, 75 into 4. What is your answer? 450 and 300. Any doubt? No. Similarly, we'll go for minimum stock level. What is the minimum stock level formula? Minimum stock level formula is, so minimum stock level formula, reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now, what is the normal consumption for A? 450 is the answer of A. 300 is the answer of B that we have taken. Along with that, what is the formula? Normal consumption into normal reorder period. What is the normal reorder period? Like 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 divided by 2. How much you will get? It will be 5 for A. How much for B? 2 plus 4 divided by 2. It will be how much? 3. This is 5. This is 3. Any doubt? No doubt. This will be 5 and this will be 3. Now, so you got 5 for this, you got 3 for this. If you calculate, you will get 200 units. If you calculate this, you will get 150 units. Any doubt? No doubt. So we're done with your second part. That will be your reorder stock level as well as minimum stock level. What is the next one? The next part will, it is a normal reorder period. What we calculated, it is 5. It is 3 weeks. Now, stock level, maximum stock level. Under this, reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption, minimum reorder period. First we'll do it for A, then we'll go for B. Now, reorder level 450, reorder quantity 300. Where do you get all this? Reorder quantity, it is 300. Reorder quantity for B, it is 500. Reorder period is how much? It will be 4 is the minimum, 2 is the minimum, maximum is 6, maximum is 4. Now, what is the reorder level? We got 450, we got 300 answer. We got 450, we got 300. Both we copied. Very simple. Don't make any confusion. You can do it A separately, you can do B separately. Now, add this you will get 450 plus 300, 25 into 4. So it will be 750 minus 100. Your answer will be 650. Similarly, if you go for B, 300 plus 500 and 25 multiplied with 2. This will be 50, 25 into 2, 50. 500 plus 300, it is 800. What is your answer? Your final answer, we call it as 750 units. Any doubt? No doubt. This is all about your stock level. Any doubt? No. The last part will be called as average stock level. How do we calculate average stock level? Simple. So, average stock level is equal to minimum level plus half of the reorder quantity. What is the minimum level like? 200 units, half of your reorder quantity. Reorder quantity is how much? I'll go back. For A we have 300, for B we have 500. Now, for A it is 300 and for B it is 500. This is 200 average and this is average is 150. Take half of this, this will become 150, this will become 250. Now, 200 plus 150, it is 350 units. 250 plus 150, it will be 400 units. These are the problems you have. I didn't get in depth. Why? Because there is no much concept in this. Only you are supposed to remember the formula and you have to go back to your question. Just pick the particular. If you want reorder quantity, go back to question, pick. If you want minimum level, go back to question and pick. Similarly, this minimum level is the answer of minimum stock level. Now, your answer will be how much? First one 350, second one 400. This is all about your stock level problems. I'll go back to your problem number 2 so that you can take screenshot. This is your problem number 3 for the day. For the day, it is the second problem and we are doing all together third problem. Stock level, reorder level and minimum stock level. This is your stock level, normal reorder period. This is your stock level, maximum reorder level. This is your stock level, average stock level. So this is all about your today's session. We worked out 2 problems on stock levels. These are the problems more than sufficient for your examination. And whatever 2 problems we did, that is all your question paper problems. So hope you will work out at home. Thank you.